Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, guys, I'm here to go through GME price action. Last week, we broke out from the triangle, but not on the upside. It was on the downside. We went almost close to 87. We are now very close to this 87 level. That is a very, very important level. And in this video, guys, I will show you the two different scenarios. If we stay above, what could happen? And if we break out below this level, what could happen? Let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm on a daily time frame, I'm on GME, and guys, it's not easy. I analyzed that quite deeply today, and I'm here to give you the truth, guys, to give you my view. Once again, I know that a lot of you are telling me, yeah, you were talking about some crazy levels, you were wrong. Alright guys, that's true. That's totally true. I got trapped here. I'm always repeating it, and I'm happy to get trapped again. Alright, GME, AMC, it's some very difficult plays. That's why playing it with only buying shares to me is not the right thing to do. This is not what I'm doing. This is not what I've been doing in my Discord. You guys know that I was here in GME and that in the end I made money. Alright, so what I want to show you guys here is that depending on what is happening, there is always a plan B that you need to be prepared for and that you need to adapt. I'm going to show you here in this video. I'm here having shares of GME. I'm having shares. I'm short call, so I'm having some covered call. And I think I will do something else, guys, on Monday because the situation is not looking so good to me. So first, let's analyze the situation. In my last video, guys, I was saying that GME can blow up. Of course, it was in both directions. I was bullish, guys. Totally true. I hear, just the bears were too strong, right? We had this bullish signal. We had this bullish signal. Here a bullish engulfing. So this is a breakout. This is a stop hunting. You can see here bears got trapped, bulls got it back inside the triangle. This is usually bullish. This gave us as well a bullish engulfing. As you can see, this candle engulfed completely the one before. It was not enough, guys. As you can see, we had some resistance around the 50-day moving average that was also creating this triangle upper band, decreasing triangle upper band. And I was really expecting an upside breakout, guys, and this was the point of my video. And I said that this is my preferred scenario, and if it happens, we'll probably fly to 160, then get rejected, and then see what happens. I also told you guys that if we break out below this triangle lower band at 115, we will probably go to 87, all right? So you can go watch this video. I'm always giving you two scenarios. And this is what happened. And right now, guys, let's analyze what is happening here. I don't like what I'm seeing. Okay, I hope I'm going to be wrong because what I'm going to show you guys here is not a bullish view, unfortunately. First, breakout below the triangle. As I said in my Discord where I post daily analysis. By the way, sorry guys, I didn't post for the past 2-3 days because I'm quite busy on many things. It was not an increasing volume. So for this reason, when we have a breakout that is not an increasing volume, it can be a fake out. The next day, we opened very close to the triangle lower band, and then we had this brutal move down on higher volume. All right, so it was not easy to play that. For those who have shares to, exit if you want, or to buy some puts, to get protection. It was not easy to trade, all right? That's true. I personally didn't do anything. I lost money here on the way down, but I made money on the global market where I have a decent short position, but whatever. Okay, let's finish analyzing the situation. So increasing volume on the way down, and we are coming back close to the 87 support level. That is a very important level, guys, that I'm giving you for a very long time. 87 is my level for I don't know for how long, but I guess a few months, even maybe more, guys. I don't really remember because it was here, guys. All right, and as you can see, what I'm going to tell you guys is a bit scary, but you're going to see where I want to bring you. 87 holds, all right? It holds pretty well. Sorry, 87 is here, by the way, because it's the low level. It's the low we had here on Feb 25th, all right, guys? Then it has been tested twice only. So it's still a strong level. But this time we arrive here, guys, on increasing volume. Okay, it's never good when you see a move is happening on increasing volume. It usually means we are in the middle of something, all right? Not at the end of it. Whenever the volume decreases, we're usually at the end of something. Just like here, we were at the end actually of this bullish move, okay? We couldn't know that. I thought we were at the end of this whole move down, but we are always at the end of something when the volume is decreasing, and then something happens, and then this is the direction for the coming weeks, days, depending on what kind of pattern you analyze. So here we have increasing volume. So it's not a big increase, but it's still going higher. So we will almost for sure touch 87, guys, on, I don't know if it's on Monday, so minus 5%, Monday, Tuesday, I don't know, but this week we're gonna probably touch this level. If it doesn't hold, guys, this is where I want to bring you, because this is, I don't have here a preferred scenario. I'm 50-50. I hope it's going to hold. Once again, I have shares. I'm short calls, so I have some protection, but not a lot of protection on the downside. And guys, look what happened each time we went from 37 to 87. All right, so I know it's 50 points, but look, it happened twice, 3 times. First time it was in Jan 21. Okay, we have this consolidation around 37. Let's put it here around 40. Let's call it 40 level. Okay, consolidation just below 40, and then bam, massive move up. In 2 days we go from 40 to 87. Then second time in 1 day we go from 87 to 55, and then slowly decrease to 37. But once again, brutal move. And last time we went from 40 to 87 in 1 time. So what I'm showing you guys here is that whenever we enter this area, we in the past did it 3 times. The 3 times we had massive moves. What does it mean? It means that there is no support or resistance level in here. It's like a no man's land. The price action doesn't stay inside this area. It goes from one side to the other side. So it's very hard to trade, of course, because whenever it starts to happen, it goes very fast. As you can see, for example, here, the last time it happened, it was on Feb 3rd. We opened above, we opened at 90, and in 1 day we went here. So I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying that if it happens, it's very hard to trade. So I'm going to show you what I will do probably to be protected about that, because this is a very brutal move down. And then probably if this happens, we're going to have a massive bullish reaction. So once again, this is not my preferred scenario. It's just one scenario that is absolutely scary, guys, and that I need to tell you, because there is something you can still do if you don't want to be in debt, okay? Even if it happens, not doing anything is fine, because we'll probably have a strong rebound coming. So if you just close your eyes, wait a week or two, hopefully not, but maybe we would go from 240 and then back to 87. Let's see. But if you don't want to close your eyes, you want to watch the market and you want to try to protect yourself and even maybe make some money, you have March 18th 80 put, guys. Okay, so I know you guys don't like to sell your shares, but there is nothing wrong about buying a put, right? About buying some protection. This protection is very expensive, guys. It costs at spot $2 to get a March 18th, so 5 days put. So it's extremely expensive, but there is a reason behind that. It's because market makers know what happens in this area, all right? It's not only me, everybody knows what happens in this area, and this is the reason why the price is so damn expensive. But $2 is not that much compared to what happens if we go to 40, all right? So it's basically we lose 50%, guys. I know it's very scary. I hope it's not going to happen. I'm just showing you this scenario. So you invest $200, but you make 3,300. I'm not saying to bet on the downside. I'm saying that for those who have shares, this is a very expensive protection, but that can save half of your investment if this scenario happens. I think I'm going to go there. The reason why I'm going to go there, guys, is because I'm short call. So let me show you. Okay, I'm short call June, this one. And so my short call position is actually bringing me $6, all right? So I'm gonna cash in $6 until June, thanks to this short call position. So I can invest a little bit in protection. I can invest $6. I'm gonna invest $2 for now, because I think it can happen this week, and then I still have $4 to invest into protection if I want to, and if I don't want, it just protects my investment by giving me some premium. This is a covered call strategy. If you're interested to know how this works, come join me on Discord, guys. This is what I'm doing. So let's do the bullish scenario. And yeah, very quickly, guys, I'm invited to be a speaker at a free webinar on March 16th. Subscribe to the link in the description of this video. It's going to be very interesting. I'm going to discuss the different swing trading strategies that you can make. So for those who are interested about to know how to manage a swing trading portfolio, once again, guys, you know that I'm an ex-professional trader, so this is my job. I know how to do that, and I'm going to explain. So it's going to be very interesting. And for the story, guys, I'm invited there because the CEO's assistant is the wife of my cousin. So I'm of course still an independent trader. I'm not working for them. I'm a speaker. I'm invited there. And I'm grateful for that because it's interesting to discuss that. And I hope you guys will come there, support me, guys. Subscribe to this link. And once again, it's everything for free, of course. You're going to learn things and you're going to be able to ask questions. It's going to be live. So I hope you're going to enjoy that. And the bullish case, guys, because once again, this is not my preferred scenario. For those who are going to tell me, oh, you were wrong again, guys, don't come to me, say I'm wrong, all right? I'm just giving you the scenarios so that you are prepared. Now, if we bounce at 87, because we can bounce, it has only been touched twice, which is still strong. So we can very likely bounce from here. It could even be my preferred scenario. You know, just technically speaking, a bounce at 87 makes total sense. Then we would probably be neutral between 115 and 87, maybe oscillate like that. And same thing as for AMC, guys, we need to wait probably April, May for the bulls to take back control on the global market. GME will not squeeze if we are bearish on the global market, which we are right now, guys. I think we need at least 1, 2, maybe 3 months. And I'm saying that for a very long time, guys. In deck, I was saying on my Discord that will really be bearish until June, all right, on the global market. So my view was correct on the global market, and I think we still need some time. So the bullish case, guys, is not very bullish. We're gonna oscillate here. That's why selling calls makes total sense right now. You of course need to buy back your call before April or May, but you can cash in a decent premium, which I am personally doing. And then of course, guys, here very important, what's gonna happen? We're gonna have a massive move up, a move hopefully up, guys, maybe down. Of course, you need to be prepared at the end of this triangle. All right, guys. So this is what I'm very interested to know. This is going to be very exciting, guys. It's going to happen around May. So around May, the market is going to take a direction. I hope it's going to be on the upside, but there is no guarantee about that. So we need to be prepared for every scenario. We're going to analyze what is going to happen. But I can already tell you that a low volume with the consolidation here is probably what is going to happen. Okay, I don't know what's going to happen between, but I'm very confident we're going to be stuck between 87 and 115 in end of April, May, and then either we go on the upside or we go on the downside. And I'm going to be sure, guys, to tell you what hints we have, what is more likely to happen if there is any preferred scenario, and I'm going to give you the levels for each scenario. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, guys, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.